했더니
But I've eaten this before.
yeah, similar. Chicken salad.
Couldn't you order this in a restaurant in Korea?
Here? Oh, in Korea? Really?
Really? You
Like
don't-
that?
I don't think it would have the cilantro.
No. Oh.
Mm-hmm. I could be wrong. I almost imagine getting like a little side dish with like salt and pepper. You take the chicken and dip it into the salt and pepper. You need to make this more often. It's like a Korean coleslaw. I'm so sure I've eaten that before.
삼계탕?
Oh wait, okay, yeah, maybe samgyetang.
아, 새콤달콤. 다 먹어도 돼?
I am.